करेंगे अपनी सीरीज़ का एक और नया फेस्टिवल। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और फेस्टिवल करने से पहले मैं उसका आपका नाम बता देती हूँ, जिसका नाम है रथ यात्रा। ये फेस्टिवल सच में बहुत अमेजिंग है और सच में बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस भी। Imagine a chariot which is made of neem wood, is yellow in color and 14-meter high with 16 wheels. So guys, they are saying that there is a chariot which is made up of neem wood. Guys, neem is a Ayurvedic plant, is yellow in color and 14-meter high with 16 wheels. So guys, this rath or this chariot has 16 wheels, is 14-meter high, is made up of neem wood and is yellow in color. Guys, maybe it's that because it has yellow in color, its height is really big and its wheels are enough. Each wheel measures 7 feet in diameter and the chariot is pulled by 4,200 devotees. So guys, it means that each wheel is 7 feet in diameter. Guys, 7 feet, you can imagine the tallest person that you have ever seen. It may be also till 6 feet, but it's really 7 feet in its diameter only. And the chariot is pulled by 4,200 devotees. Guys, in my class there are 40 students, so it means that 100 classes. In one class 40 students are there, then in 100 classes it means 4,200 devotees can be 100 classes who pull this one chariot. Who could be riding this magnificent chariot? Now guys, they are asking us a question that who is riding this magnificent chariot? Lord Jagannath, of course. Guys, Lord Jagannath or Lord Krishna is riding this amazing chariot. This chariot signifies the celebration of unique festival Rath Yatra. As the name suggests, Rath Yatra indicates a chariot ride. The event is in honor of Lord Jagannath, another name of Lord Krishna. Guys, as I have told you, Lord Jagannath is only Lord Krishna, and this chariot signifies his festival Rath Yatra. It is celebrated especially in the state of Orissa in month of Ashad, June and July. Guys, Orissa is in our India. Here, that pinkish part you see pointing out my finger is Orissa. Orissa is only known as Orissa. So guys, in Ashad, as yesterday we have studied Shravan, July, August. Shravan is the next month of Ashad, June, July. Even though this festival is celebrated in other places too, the main Rath Yatra takes place in the holy town of Puri at Orissa. Guys, in Orissa, one place is Puri. Rath Yatra is also celebrated in other states, but main Rath Yatra is celebrated in Orissa at Puri state. The magnificent Jagannath temple in Puri celebrates the Rath or chariot. Rath or chariot the same, or yatra or journey is also same, guys. With pageantry and festive mood, a procession inaugurates at the Jagannath temple annually around the months of June and July. And so guys, this festival is celebrated with much joy. Lakhs of people visit Puri to witness this experience. In Jagannath temple, Lord Krishna, his elder brother Balram and their sister Subhadra are worshipped in an unusual trinity. Guys, this is the chariot of Lord Jagannath. Maybe he is Subhadra and Lord Balbhadra or Balram. Their images are made of neem wood and are painted in highly stylized method. But why is the idol housed in the temple incomplete? Legends say that they were incomplete because their creator Vishwakarma was disturbed by a curious king. Guys, legends say that these houses are incomplete because the who made these houses, Vishwakarma, was disturbed by a king, and so that he got furious and stopped making these houses. The craftsman was so angry that he refused to complete the statue, but the king decided to install the statue anyhow. So guys, the king that disturbed, he also says that he will only complete these statues now. That is why even today an incomplete idol is worshipped at Jagannath temple. Guys, that is why we worship an incomplete statue in Jagannath temple. What is the origin of Rath Yatra? Guys, do you know the origin of Rath Yatra? I don't know. No one really knows. Guys, I don't know. No one knows it. One reason given is that a chariot was drawn to transport the imperfect statue to the constructed temple. Guys, one reason they have given us that the chariot which was drawn to the transport, the chariot transport the imperfect statue to the constructed temple. Since the first journey was made in a chariot, this became a part of a custom. According to the other legends, Subhadra wanted to visit Dwarka, her parent home. Therefore, her two brothers, Jagannath and Balbhadra, took her there on this day. The legends say that Lord Jagannath is said to have voiced his longing to visit his birthplace, Gundicha Ghar, once yearly. Guys, there are two legends. One is Subhadra wanted. Guys, Subhadra wanted to visit Dwarka, and in another legend, Lord Jagannath want to go his birthplace, Gundicha Ghar. That was the beginning of the yatra. Whichever the legends are, the journey is made in elaborate chariots amidst fervent devotion by lakhs of people. Lord Jagannath, Lord Balbhadra and Subhadra travel in separate chariots. Guys, maybe he's Lord Jagannath, Subhadra and Lord Balbhadra, Lord Balaram. Now, Lord Jagannath rides a 14-meter high chariot with 16 wheels. Lord Balbhadra also rides a similar blue chariot with 14 wheels. And Subhadra rides a 12-meter high 12-wheeled chariot. Guys, the height of Jagannath's chariot and Lord Balbhadra's chariot was same, but their wheels were different. Lord Jagannath's chariot has 16 wheels, Lord Balbhadra's chariot has 14 wheels, and Subhadra's chariot was 12-meter high and has 12 wheels only. Each chariot resembles the temple at Puri. The journey of the deities and the town of Puri begins at the Jagannath temple and ends at Gundicha Ghar, or Lord Jagannath's birthplace, now a temple 3 kilometers away. Guys, this yatra is from Lord Jagannath's chariot to his Gundicha Ghar. Thousands of devotees pull these chariots by huge ropes to Gundicha Mandir. It is believed that whosoever pulls the chariot achieves moksha or salvation, and if somebody unfortunately comes under the wheels, they too experience a life after death full of peace. The day of yatras resounds with the sounds of gongs, conch shells, trumpets and holy chants. The crowds are overcome with frenzy. Balbhadra, the eldest brother, rides first, followed by Subhadra and then Lord Jagannath. This arduous uphill and downhill track takes almost 10 hours to reach its destination. After 9 days, the idols are taken back to Jagannath temple in the identical parade. The city of Puri is dressed up for this day. A holiday is declared. Special sweet meats are made and distributed. Children make or buy miniature chariots and imite the Rath Yatra by pulling the miniatures through the streets playfully. The end. So guys, this was our today's festival. I hope from this festival you have learned much about Chaitra. If yes, then give my video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Bye dosto. Stay tuned with me. We'll read another festival next day.